Controversy is brewing over the use of papaya leaf as a natural cure for dengue. The use of the plant is being discussed by some medical doctors, while others are against it. TVJ's Shamela Pullen reports.
The buzzing sound of a mosquito. Most, if not all of us, have been bitten by one at some point in our life. But the reality now is, behind those insect bites is great danger: dengue. The dengue virus is transmitted through the Aedes aegypti mosquito and can be life-threatening. At present, Jamaica is experiencing a dengue outbreak, with the numbers escalating and persons dying. While there is no specific cure for the disease, medical doctor and natural health consultant therapist Dr. Donovan White says there is a popular natural remedy: papaya leaf juice.
What we have found is that the benefits of a green leaf, for example, the high chlorophyll content in most green plants, actually helps to make the body very alkaline, and in an alkaline state, infections do not grow very well. Doesn't matter what kind of infections, whether it be viruses, bacteria, parasites, fungi, they do not grow well in an alkaline environment.
But another medical doctor, Winston Dawes, is strongly cautioning persons against the use of this plant.
Don't self-medicate. If you start to have bleeding, don't take papaya leaf. Go to the hospital.
Dr. White argues that studies have been done in India and other parts of the world showing that the properties in the papaya plant are successful in the treatment of dengue. One of those studies, done from September 2017 to March 2018, concluded that papaya leaf extract accelerates the increase in platelet count and reduces the hospital stay, so it can be used as supplementary drug to reduce complications. Another done in Indonesia in 2012 also came to the same conclusion.
Now, the standard treatments that we give for dengue is just basically managing pain and fever. It really has nothing to do with the bleeding that is occurring. The bleeding is occurring because of a platelet destruction or platelet damage during the dengue process. It so happens that papaya leaves have been found to build the platelet levels.
According to Dr. Dawes, taking papaya leaf can further worsen the problem. Dr. Dawes thinks more research needs to be done.
The big problem is that we're not sure if that the falling platelets is not also indicative of suppression of the bone marrow. We're not producing enough white blood cells, and the immune system is also down. So you might correct one part of it, but not the others. And we don't know enough yet whether papaya leaf will also improve your immune system through the white blood cells and the red blood cells and the bone marrow.
Dr. White believes that at the end of the day, it's the personal choice as to what people want to take into their bodies.
What I speak is not what I was taught in medical school, because I'm looking for truth. Medical school is looking about giving medicines, which is fine, that's one way. But patients have the right to decide to what extent do you want to be helped. Do you just want to ease the symptoms, or do you want to correct the problem?
Meanwhile, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says while he recognizes the benefits from this plant, persons in the past have used alternative medicines which posed a challenge for healthcare providers.
We certainly would not advise persons to promote or to prescribe without some sort of clinical validated test. And so persons who do so without that kind of test, those tests, I think would be acting irresponsibly, but also, very importantly, those who accept would be acting at their own risk.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.